Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Vivo Y53s. And guys, this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo which is costing around 41,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and also on the back we have some more specification about the phone. And guys, you can see that on the back we have a 64 megapixel main camera, and also we have 5000 mAh battery size with a 33 watt fast charging. Also we have 8GB of RAM. We also have a 3GB extended RAM feature on this phone, and the color I have is the fantastic rainbow color. Also this phone is manufactured in Pakistan, so I feel really proud right now. So now let's quickly unbox the Y53s. And also this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor, and the processor on this phone, it is not really good, but let's see that how is the Y53s is gonna looks like in the rainbow color. So here's the box of the Y53s, and you can see it looks very similar. And now let's open this box. And guys, on the top we get a one more mini box. Inside of this box we get a soft silicone case. We also get a quick start guide with the Vivo Y53s and no simulation tool as of now. So here is the device, Vivo Y53s in the fantastic rainbow color. So now let's out the phone from this plastic. And guys, here is the Vivo Y53s looks like in the fantastic rainbow color. And you can see on the back we have a glossy finish as compared to matte finish on the Vivo Y51s, and this phone also available in the blue color which give you a matte finish, I believe. And you can see, and the back design looks very similar to the Vivo Y51s. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And guys, the first thing we get a charger, and guys, and this is a 33 watt fast charging. So nice to see that we get a 33 watt fast charging. And also we get a cable, and guys, and this is a USB type C cable, so that's really good thing. USB type C, it is here on this phone. We also get the headphones on this phone which we don't see in this price range before from any other brand. So nice to see that we get headphone, and also we get a simulation tool. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. On the left hand side we have nothing. On the top we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on the Vivo Y53s. I believe that we get a triple SIM slot on this phone, and you can see, nice to see that you can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. And also we have a noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button which also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. On the front we have a 6.5-inch Full HD IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate, and that's a really disappointing. And also we get the U-shaped notch. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Vivo Y53s. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that the display is really bright on this phone, but I wish that we have 90Hz refresh rate. So first let me go to the settings, and now let's go to the display, and you can see we does not have any high refresh rate display on this phone. So now let's go about phone, and this phone is running on Android 11, so that's really good thing. So guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. And the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really fast on this phone. And also we have a Fun Touch OS on this phone. Again, this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80, and the performance on this phone, it is really average. Also I see a little bit lag while I am using this phone right now. So now let's look at the camera. And guys, on the back we have triple cameras on this phone. We have a 64 megapixel main camera, and then we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So no ultra wide lens on this phone, and that's also really disappointing. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera, so it's the camera UI. And you can see no ultra wide on this phone. We have a super macro. We also have a portrait mode. We also have night mode. And guys, on the back camera, maximum shoot Full HD at 30 fps, no 4K on this phone. In the mode section we also have a 64 megapixel mode. We also have a slow motion on this phone, so that's really good thing. Now let's see the front camera. On the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and the quality, I would say it is pretty good as of now. We also have a portrait mode. We also have a night mode with the front camera, so that's really good thing. Now let's see video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps, again no 4K even with the front camera. And guys, in the slow motion it is not available with the front camera. So now let's talk about the battery life, and this phone has a 5000 mAh of battery size with a 33 watt fast charging. Battery life should be really good on this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I'm a first impression regarding the Vivo Y53s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.